morning, and thanks for joining me here on the Center County Report Weather Update. I'm your student meteorologist, Juklo. We have a very serious situation unfolding right now in the western Bahamas, and of course we're dealing with Hurricane Matthew, major Hurricane Matthew, currently of a Category 3 strength with winds of 125 miles per hour, and that pressure of 940 millibars. Last night at 11 o'clock, the pressure was 961 millibars, so it's fallen over 20 millibars in under 12 hours, and I can tell you that that is a very rapid drop in pressure, and correspondingly we've seen the storm strengthen overnight, and it's likely going to continue to strengthen back into Category 4 strength as we head into this afternoon and tonight before it makes landfall. Now, I'll take you in for a closer look. Here's the very well-defined eye there. As you can see, it's going to continue to move northwest. And as it approaches Florida, it should start to make a northern turn. So although these rain bands are already starting to reach Miami, I think you're going to dodge the worst of this storm. It's really just north of you and up towards central Florida, places like Cape Canaveral, Melbourne, where you'll get the absolute brunt of this storm. And if you do know anybody that's still along the east coast of Florida here, you really want to try to advise them to leave while they still can, because this storm, I can tell you, is a very serious threat here to life and property, with packing not only very destructive winds, but also flooding rain and potentially devastating storm surge. So big threat as we're watching here in the next 24 hours, and it's likely going to continue to move northwest, probably making landfall somewhere in central Florida coast here late tonight before continuing to hug the coast as we head into the day on Saturday, where it's going to slightly weaken by that point. So no doubt we're watching that here over the next 48 hours. But back here close to home, just a dense fog advisory that we're dealing with right now up until the top of the hour. So it should expire here shortly. And this is why we have that in effect. A lot of fog out there, dense fog. And this is a look over the Arboretum. We can barely even see the road there. So if you are driving out there this morning, just give yourself some extra time. Temperatures across the region right now are quite chilly, so you also need that jacket as you step out. Temperatures here in Center County are in the mid-40s, 45 here in State College and Port Matilda. Generally 40s and 50s across the state this morning. 51 in Scranton, 52 in Allentown. Already up to 60, though, in Philadelphia as well as Erie, and Pittsburgh right now already warming into the mid-50s. Radar and satellite not showing anything out there, so once this fog does burn off, we'll be left with a very nice day here across central PA. And we are watching a next storm system, which will bring us a big cool down as we head into the second half of this weekend. And I'll time that out for you here on Future Weather. So for today, the fog will burn off as we head toward the lunch hour, leaving us with a very nice day. And then into tomorrow, not bad of a day, but we'll start to gradually increase the cloud cover in response to a moisture feed coming in part from Matthew and also from a storm system coming in from the west. And as we head into early in the day on Saturday, we'll start to see some rain forming here in central PA. I think the best chance for rain Saturday will be in the first half of the day. You can see as we head toward the noon hours, some dark greens and yellows there. But as we head into Saturday night, that will move out and we'll be left with a northerly wind, which will bring down some much cooler air as we head into Sunday. So for today, we're expecting lots of sunshine once this fog burns off. Pleasant temperatures as well into the upper 60s to near 70 with a light wind from the south at 5 miles per hour. Tonight will be a quiet night, mostly clear skies expected, lows down to near 50 with some patchy fog, again, possible late. And then tomorrow, still not a bad day, although we start to increase the cloud cover as we head late into the day with high temperatures again in the upper 60s. And then that rain that I mentioned for Saturday before we cool it off as we head into the day on Sunday. You can see we don't even get out of the 50s. Sunshine returns for Sunday and Monday as we start to gradually get our temperatures back into the 60s. You can see mid-60s and mid to upper 60s as we head into the day on Wednesday with a few more clouds. I advise you to stay updated when it comes to Matthew, so give us a like on our Facebook page or give us a follow on Twitter at Campus Weather Service. We'll be sure to give you the latest regarding the storm. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a great day.